the millions of men and women who sweated and strived are left unnoticed. So one day, father gives the children the boat made out of aluminium. Conjunctions are the words which join two words or two sentences together. Here the poet advises the people to come out of their shells and travel to different places and explore new things. Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Reena, lecturer, Department of English at Vidyashram College, Mysuru. Today, in this introduction class, let us discuss about the syllabus prescribed by the University of Mysuru for the students of 2nd Sem BCom. Our syllabus is divided into 3 parts, that is, poetry, prose, language component and literary activity. So you all are familiar with the 2 important forms of literature, that is poetry and prose. And in this sem, we are going to explore more in these forms. And literary component also plays an important role in achieving clarity in speaking and writing. So when you read the poetry or prose, you have to concentrate on few things. They are, when you read a poetry, you have to go through the introduction of the poet, then historical context or background, structure and form of the poem, analysis or summary of the poem, theme of the poem, and also you have to go through the self-assessment given in the textbook. Next is, when you read the prose, also you have to concentrate on few things and you have to read few things. They are, you have to read the introduction to prose and you have to read or go through the objectives of reading, then a note on author, critical appreciation, analysis or summary of the prose, and you have to critically analyze the prose. Then you have to go through the keywords and self-assessment questions. So under poetry, in this sem, you are going to read 5 poems. In that, the first one is Ulysses by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Ulysses is a poem which is in blank version. This poem is a popular example for dramatic monologue. Facing old age, mythical hero Ulysses describes his discontent and restlessness after returning to his kingdom Ithaca after his far-ranging. Facing old age, mythical hero Ulysses describes his discontent and restlessness upon returning to his kingdom Ithaca after his far-ranging travel. So here, despite of his reunion with his wife and son, Ulysses yearns to explore more and he wants to travel again. This poem expresses the conflicting moods of Ulysses as he searches the continuity between his past and future. And the next poem is If by Rudyard Kipling. The poem is a bundle of suggestion of a father to his son. The poet tells his son how to cope up with the different situations of the life to go ahead. If is an inspirational poem. Several values of life are represented in this poem. For example, values like self-control, believing in oneself, humbleness, kindness, honesty, etc. Each stanza in this poem presents a set of values which leads us to build an ideal character. The third poem is Questions from a Worker Who Reads by Bertolt Brecht. This poem shows poet's political stance that the workers are centrally the political, economic, and social actions of the society. By workers, he means the builders, masons, and other laborers of all sorts, including soldiers who helps the kings to build or conquer the nation. This poem is an argument of the poet stating that the workers work very hard or they strive so much, but they are left unnoticed. He says that they are the people who helped the kings to win the war. But the name and reputation are given only to the leaders. He says that the millions of men and women who sweated and strived are left unnoticed. And the next poem is You Start Dying Slowly by Pablo Neruda. So here the poet wants us to live our life to the fullest. He emphasizes on the things which we have to do to lead a happy and satisfied life. Here the poet advises the people to come out of their shells and travel to different places and explore new things. And again he advises us to read the books, read more. He says it because the life is too short and we won't be able to experience all the things in our life. And he also suggests us to chase our dream, to take up all the negative things from our life. The poet says us to take all the negativity from our life and to be optimistic. And the last poem is We Are the TSB Banking Directors by Daryl Ashton. TSB here means Trustee Savings Bank, and it is a financial institution in Britain. So this poem stresses the importance of banking and how it should use the digital banking platform to reform itself. This poem shows the notable changes and development taking place in the banking sector in Britain. Next, coming to prose, you have to read 3 stories here. Among that, the first one is A Deed of Bravery by Jim Corbett. This is a short story which deals with the heroic deeds of the survival against all odds of life. This story deals with the heroic deeds of survival against all the odds of life. 2 protagonists of the story lives a life of immense hardship. So they somehow survive by making baskets and selling them. Here, the author stresses on the life of the people who lives in India, especially the people who lives in the foothills of Himalayas, and their life and sufferings, and also their hardships, and also the hardships which they undergo in their life. And the next prose is Light is Like Water by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. This story is about 2 children, Toto and Joel. So these children demands his parents to get them a rowboat. Father, in the beginning, he agrees to buy a boat to them, but mother says no because the place where they live, they don't have a river there. So father, these 2 children, they do well in their academics. So father likes them very much. So he is ready to provide whatever they ask. So one day, father gives the children the board made out of aluminium. And after few days or few months, again the children does perform well in their academics. And they demand for few more things. The loving father, he presents some gifts again to them. So after receiving all the gifts, when the parents were not there in their house, these children create some havoc in their house. So this is a story about the havoc created by these children after receiving the gifts. Third one is a lesson my father taught me by APJ Abdul Kalam. This is a thought-provoking essay written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and here he narrates an incident which took place when he was 10 years old age. That incident took place on the day when his father was appointed as the president of Rameshwaram Panchayat Board. Coming to the language component, you have to learn about punctuation. You have to learn the usage of different punctuation. That is capitalization, comma, period, that is full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, quotation mark, and apostrophe. Next is framing questions with WH words and yes or no questions. So, after that, we have to learn the use of negatives. Then, linkers or conjunctions. That is, conjunctions are the words which join two words or two sentences together. Next, reading comprehension of an unseen passage. Passage will be given to you. You have to read it carefully and attempt the questions asked below. Next, let us look into the exam pattern. You will be having C1, C2 and C3. So C1 is for 10 marks. In this, you will be having a test or assignment. Again in C2, it's an assignment or test and test for 10 marks. Then C3 is your semester examination and it will be given for 80 marks. So total second sem exam is for 100 marks. Now let's look into the question paper pattern. So in section A, 15 questions will be given from poetry and prose, out of which you have to attempt 10 questions. And it should be answered in a word, phrase or sentence. And in the next section, you will be having, or they will give you 4 annotations from the poems, and in that you have to attempt only 2 questions, and that will be for 10 marks. Next, in the next main, again they will ask essay type questions. Out of 4 questions, you have to attempt 2 questions. So that carries, and each question is for 10 marks. So totally it will be 20 marks. Next one, this is also essay type question. So out of 4 questions, and that will be from prose, out of 4 questions, you have to attempt 2 questions. Then there will be questions from language component or the grammar part, and that carries 20 marks. Hope you all got an idea about your syllabus. Thank you all. Stay safe and healthy.